Konnichiwa and welcome back to our IB cooking channel. Today we will be cooking gyozas, which are a Japanese delicacy, and we will show you how to do it. We're using Wagamama's cookbook.
So the ingredients that we are going to use for the dough are
240 grams of white flour, then we've got 120 ml of water,
salt,
just half a teaspoon of salt,
not much,
and then three tablespoons of vegetable oil. For the inside of our gyoza, we're gonna make chicken gyozas, so we need 1 skinless chicken breast, 2 spring onions, 3 centimeters of ginger, and then 2 garlic cloves. So first we're gonna start with the dough because the dough needs to rest at one point, and then we're gonna prepare the insides.
In the meantime, we boil the water.
The first thing we do is wash our hands.
It's very important because you need to get the germs away. Now we boil the water. And Sara turns the gas on. Fire! Fire is very dangerous, so be careful when turning the stove on.
So now the water is boiling and you can add salt to it. Switch off the fire and add some salt.
Now we place the flour in the bowl.
So now you get your chopsticks and slowly you pour the salt water into the flour. Put some Japanese music on. The recipe says if it's not enough water, we can add some more. So that's what we're gonna do. So now we coat the surface with flour, make sure the surface is clean, and then we're gonna transfer this dough onto the surface. Now we knead the dough for 10 minutes. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, and as you can see, it is elastic. So now we put it in the bowl and cling film it. So now the dough is cling filmed and we can put it to the sides
For 30 minutes.
We don't have a food processor, but we have a bimbi, which is the same thing, just Italian version. So place the chicken in the bimbi. So now we chop the spring onions. We've chopped up our spring onions, we put it in the bimbi. Then we're gonna put this 3 centimeter ginger and chop it up. Then we do the same to the garlic. Now you put the ginger and the garlic in. You put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Put the lid on so it doesn't splatter everywhere, and then we mix. You have to pulsate it, so you do it on and off. And now our mixture is complete. Look how smooth and elastic it is. Wow. After half an hour, you roll it into
A sausage.
a sausage shape.
And then you cut it up. Like so.
The ginger stained our hands. And then you roll each piece into a bowl. Once you've rolled it in little balls, you squish it down with a cup. Now we roll them up into circles, and we're gonna put the filling in. You grab water and you put it around the edges, and then you fold it over. So now that we've folded it in half, you have to pleat them as so to make the gyoza shape.
They're not the prettiest, but it's our first time and it's the taste that counts.
Now, be careful and switch on the gas. Put some oil in and place them on the pan. Make sure you be careful because the oil can be a bit aggressive. But once they are golden brown, put 60 ml of water. And close. After 3 minutes, take the lid off and wait for the water to evaporate.
Arigato, and thank you for watching our video.
We're gonna enjoy these with some soy sauce. Bye bye.